So viewers, today we are going to start new wallet review that's name is Brave Wallet. Yes, this is the Brave Wallet, and in this video I'm giving to complete information how can you download, how to install and how to create your account in your Brave Wallet. You can easily store your cryptocurrency and that's wallets. This is not a financial advice. This video is only for education purpose. So before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So guys, let's start our video. First of all, I'm going to type here Brave Wallet or Brave browser, also available here. I just need to use Brave Wallet. So going to click on it. So after some searching, the Brave website is open in front of me. You can see here. You cross check before going to install any wallet. This link is valid or not. Brave.com, Brave wallet, secure wallet, cryptocurrency wallets. If I'm going to go to back area, you can see here there are also available link here, but I just click on first link for the download wallet and also installed. Now you can see here the brave.com/wallet dot slash. This is the official website where you can download the wallet, and you can also click on this option, the secure built-in crypto wallets, and that super recharge your browser for Web3. Enable it in the settings, click on, I'm just simple click on it, and after that you can see here the Brave wallet going to download in my system. I just simple click on it for the installation, and after that click on yes. Now going to download, and after that this wallet will be installed, and there is also give to all information how can you download, how to install. So you can read from this page. Only 23 seconds. You can see here. Open the installer from the Google Chrome. Download. It should be the in upper right corner of this window, which is I already done. Run the installer. If you are the promoter, to click yes and user access control dialog. And after that, import setting. Wait for the installation to finish. Then import your browser setting from Google Chrome. So going to check complete or not. You can see here the properly download, and after that automatically installing in my window or my browser. Waiting for this. Set up browser. It's depend on you. No, just going to click on skip. Import. No, skip. And want to better research result, join the momentum of contribute to Brave. Sure, maybe later, and finish. Now the download the browser and also download my wallet. So how can you create a wallet? Simple is that. Right top corner you can see here wallet option is available here. Simple click on it, and then Brave wallet. Use the panel to secure access web3 and all your crypto assets. Going to learn more. You can see here need a new wallet and already have wallet. If you have the seed phrases you can use also this option, but I have not any seed phrases. I need to use this wallet as a newcomer. Going to click on need a wallet, and we require that you are acknowledge the items below. You must read the terms and conditions before going to install, before going to use. I just simple click on this tick mark box and also click on it. I understand that it's the safe custodial wallet and that I am solely responsible. So you must read the terms and condition. After that click on continue, and then supported network. There is almost 12 networks supported, are available here. It's depend on you. You can choose all or you can choose one of other wallet. So I'm going to click on continue with 12 network. You can see Avalanche, Base, BNB Chain, Filecoin, Polygon. Also, you can use Bitcoin, Filecoin, and also Zcash. So going to click on continue with 12 networks. Now you need to put here or enter your password here, which is save your account from scammer or hacker. I have entered my password here for the security purpose. So password is match and my password is medium. So let's try. Brave will auto lock after 5 minutes, depend on you. 10 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours. I think this is better for me. 5 minutes. So click on continue button. Now creating my wallet. Just a little bit. I can show your recovery phases. This is a very sensitive area. And this is 12 to 24 wallet recovery phase is a private key you can use to region access to your wallet in case you lose a connected device, stole or someplace safe. And if the exact order it appear below. Keep it in a secure place that is not accessible to others and avoid sharing with anyone. Okay. So going to click on show my recovery phases. Please don't use these scary phrases for your personal use because this video is only for education purpose. If you will use this, so your fund will be lost. Okay, keep in your mind, don't use. Going to click on notepad file, open notepad file, and going to paste here. All phrases is paste here. After stop this video, I will print out this phrases, also write on my personal diary, and also save this file in my USB drive. You must save your all phrases in safe place. Okay. Now going to click on copy and now click on continue. Please enter the word in the position 1 from your recovery phrases. Word number is 1. Going to copy or yeah, going to paste here. Paste here, yes. Click on continue. It's correct. Then enter the second. I think I will enter one by one all phrases. I think not confirm. 5 number randomly. The system asks you randomly your seed phrases for the confirmation you have saved your phrases is correct or not. Now you can see it, you are set. Your Brave wallet is now set up and ready for use. And go to the portfolio. Now as you can see here, our Brave wallet is open in front of me, and this is the main interface. You can use this wallet. In coming videos, I will give you more information about this wallet. How can you deposit? How to withdraw? How to find the private key? How to import the private key? How to import your wallet from other seed phrases? So be connected with my YouTube channel. And if you face any problem regarding this, you can message me below this video, and you can also send me my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. So I hope you properly understand. If you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel cryptowalletsinfo and also press the bell icon button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.